Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new YouTube video. Guys, today I'm not going to be doing a specific Warren video, but I'm really doing a raffle that I told you guys about last week. So if you guys have watched one of my previous videos last week, I believe, I told you guys that in a week I'm going to be raffling $100 worth of Dai-WPLS LPs so you guys can stake into the Warren.Finance protocol. All you had to do was just show up on KK's video and show him how bullish you felt on this 10 cycles of a 30-day bond. Essentially, he showed you how to turn a $1,000 into a 12x, right? So it was crazy how to 12x your money. If you go to KK's video, subscribe to his channel, watch his video, leave a comment, I'm going to be raffling one of you guys that actually says my name, that you've been sent from my channel to his channel to win that $100. So guys, today is the day. I'm going to go ahead and raffle that right away. So you guys have been incredible, a very solid community. So a lot of you guys have come here, you've left my name. A lot of you guys have just come here and just complimented KK on the amazing Excel sheet that he did, which is so cool. And you know, I love every single bit of it. But anyways, what I'm going to be doing today, guys, I'm going to take the video and we're going to go ahead and raffle a number, right? We're going to raffle a winner. And if this winner over here is going to be one of the guys that actually has my name in the comments, then you're going to be the winner right away. You know what I mean? So we're going to do it a few times until we pick a solid winner. So let's go right ahead and pick that $100 winner. Of course, it was me. God damn. Pick another winner. Dope video, brother. Keep doing this. Keep doing until somebody mentions my name. This is without considering the price going up or down. It's good for both situations. Of course it is. Yes, this was a comment from Lotaro saying that let's say the price of Warren actually goes up in value because of the Pulse, like we saw today. It was incredible. Like the Pulse token goes up in value, the TVL goes up in value, meaning the Warren token goes up in value. So the 10 bond cycle strategy is actually going to blow everybody's mind. It's not going to be 12x anymore. It's going to be way more. Hello KK, good evening. Great video, great strategy. MoCrypto77 made a point for a must-see video. Worth the time and watch and understand again. So let's go and read Mullian's comment. So Mullian left a comment right over here. Made a point for a must-see video. Worth the time to watch and understand again and again. I'm ready for the 10-month roll. Long live Warren. So congratulations, Mullian. You won $100 worth of Dai-WPLS LP. So I know you, so I'm just gonna DM you and I'm gonna send you that WPLS Dai LP. Guys, thank you again for participating in this contest. Before we head out today, I just wanted to congratulate the Warren community for getting the total liquidity over $1 million. That is a crazy feat for this community. You guys are rocking it every step of the way. Guys, 2 million is right around the corner. I don't even kid, man. Like 2 million is right around the corner. You guys are doing crazy, tremendous work. So shout out to you guys. And I'm going to be back on Wednesday for a brand new video. We're going to be reviewing a few things that are super bullish and that are upcoming for the Warren protocol. All right, guys. So thank you so much. Have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you guys in the next video.